Hello friends, phenomenal day, right? How true. Welcome to Brilliant Minds Academy, and today we are going to be studying Binomial Theorem. How true, Binomial Theorem. In studying Binomial Theorem, there are some concepts we must understand first and foremost before diving right straight to Binomial Theorem. And the very first of them would be the factorial. The factorial. What is the factorial? The factorial of a positive integer, say n, would be the product of all positive numbers less than or equal to n. The factorial, I repeat, of a positive integer, n, would be the product of all positive numbers less than or equal to n. And this right here would be the symbol for the factorial. This is the symbol for the factorial. This right here. Right? Let me take that off. Now, the general formula for the factorial is given as n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 down till you get to 2 times 1. That will be the general formula for the factorial. Let's take some classic examples and let's see how it goes. So 0 factorial, first and foremost, we start from 0 and we build up, would be 1. 0 factorial is taken as 1 mathematically. 1 factorial would also be 1. 2 factorial, it gets it more interesting from here, would be 2 times 1, right? Giving us what? 2. 3 factorial would be 3 times 2 times 1. That would give us what? 6. 4 factorial now, your guess is as good as mine, would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we notice a regression or a decrementing from the higher value to down to 1 for each of those factorials we are trying to find. That is what our formula says. So you take your value, you subtract 1 from it, as in the case here, then you subtract 2 from it, and you just keep on going till you get to 1. So you start from the top and you get to 1. Whatever value you are finding the factorial, you start from that value and go down to 1. That is why our formula here ends in 1. Is that clear? Yes. So that's why humorously I usually tell my students that the factorial can be defined as the downward multiplication of a number. The downward multiplication of a number. And it seems as though, because it seems like you're coming down from a slope or a hill, right? Now let's move on. 5 factorial that would give us 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That would be equal to, now you can put the values, right? So for the 4 factorial, that is 4 times 3 gives us what? 12, and 12 times 2 gives us 24, and 24 times 1 will still be the very same 24, right? Yeah, the very same 24. Now for the 5 factorial, 5 times 4 gives us 20, right? How true. 20 times 3 gives us what? 60. And 60 times 2 gives us what? 120. Do we need to multiply by the 1? Okay, let's go ahead and do it. 120 multiplied by 1 will still be what? 120. So you see why I asked if there is need, right? Now, let's do one more. 6 factorial, right? 6 factorial. That would be, let's start. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? So to put the value there, 6 times 5 gives us what? 30, right? 30. 30 times 4 gives us what? 120. 120 times 3 gives us 360. 360 times 2 gives us 720. And 720 times 1 gives us still that 720. So this would clearly explain the concept of the factorial. This is a way we can multiply numbers that we start from the highest, that particular value we're giving, and regress down to 1. Do we understand? Yes, we do.